Rescheduling a flight in Philippine Airlines is a straightforward process that can be done either online or by contacting their customer service. If you need to make changes to your flight schedule due to unexpected circumstances or personal reasons, you can easily do so by visiting their website and navigating to the Manage Bookings section. From there, you can input your booking reference and last name to access your reservation and make the necessary changes. Alternatively, you can also reach out to their customer service team via phone or email to request for a flight rescheduling. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with changing your flight, so it's best to check their policies before proceeding with the rescheduling process. Overall, Philippine Airlines aims to provide a seamless and hassle-free experience for their passengers when it comes to rescheduling flights.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.